Leviticus Chapter 8. The Lord told Moses to gather the people and consecrate Aaron and his sons as priests. Moses washed them with water, dressed Aaron in the priestly garments, placed the breastplate, the Urim and Thummim, the turban, and the golden plate of holiness on him. He anointed the tabernacle and everything in it with oil. A bull was brought as a sin offering, and Aaron and his sons laid their hands on its head before it was slaughtered. Moses applied the blood, purified the altar, and burned the fat. Then a ram was offered as a burnt offering, and another ram as the ordination offering. Its blood was placed on Aaron's right ear, thumb, and big toe, and the same for his sons. Moses sprinkled them with oil and blood, and they ate the meat at the entrance to the tent. They remained there 7 days for their ordination.